y'all, welcome back to the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video will be system test 59. So, we still have my Kitty 270 SPO, but this time it's mounted the right way. So, Kitty 270 SPO, new device. Jeez, I'm struggling. New device is this EST Genesis horn strobe. I wouldn't say Genesis, the LED series. It's the ceiling mount with all 4 strobes, and yes, you guys will get a demonstration of that. And the wheel lock, or a wheel lock remote, or actually Pyrotronics, but you know, same thing, right? Before I pull this, there will be strobes flashing in this video, so please don't watch if you have epilepsy. Yeah, I'm trying. And don't pull fire alarms in real buildings because that's a pretty bad crime. And it's a bad thing to do, so don't do it. Alright, let's do this thing. 3, 2, 1. Okay, there we are. And now we'll test the smoke detector. Alright. Okay, so I will reset the Kitty pull station, and then, hold on, there we go. So, I think that's everything I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.